hooks in the size J10 and a ball of yarn. Special thanks to our sponsor Lion Brand for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their extra soft wool blend from the Martha Stewart's Crafts line in the color Gerber Daisy. For this stitch you'll need to know the following techniques: chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. To begin this stitch you must create a foundation chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. Now to begin this pattern we need to do a prep row, so first thing we're going to do is a single crochet in the third chain stitch from our hook. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to insert our hook, then we'll yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 2. Then we'll do another single crochet into that same chain stitch that we just did a single crochet in. Okay, then we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and this will begin our repeat. So we'll skip the next 2 and we're going to do the same thing we just did. So we'll single crochet into that third chain stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Then we'll chain 2 and then single crochet back into that same stitch. Okay, so we're going to repeat this sequence where we skip 2 and then shell into that third chain until we reach the last stitch in our row. And when we reach the end of the row, we're going to do a half double crochet into that last chain stitch. So we're going to insert our yarn over, insert our hook, yarn through, yarn over, and then pull through all 3. Row 1. We're going to begin by chaining 3. Then we're going to start our repeat by doing 3 double crochets into the next 2 chain space, which is going to be right here. And as you saw, I just turned my work. Usually you turn your work beforehand, but I find it easier to turn my work after doing the chain. Alright, so we're going to do 3 double crochets to start our repeat into the next 2 chain space. Okay, so we're going to repeat the 3 double crochets into the next 2 chain space until the last stitch in the row. Then when we get to the end of the row, we're going to do 1 double crochet into the second chain from the 2 chain turn chain from the row before. So we're just insert our hook there, pull through, and work the double crochet as normal. Row 2, we're going to begin by chaining 2. Then we'll turn our work and we're going to start our repeat. Now this 2 chains that we did counts as a half double crochet, so that's just FYI. So next we're going to start our repeat by doing a single crochet. We're going to skip 2 double crochets and go into the next single crochet, double crochet, and do a single crochet. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but basically we're just going into the middle of that shell that we made here. Okay, then we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to single crochet into that same stitch again. Okay, so we're going to repeat this all the way across until we get to the last stitch in the row. Now when we get to the end of our row, we're going to do a half double crochet into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, from the turn chain from the row before. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that third chain, yarn over and draw through, and then we're going to yarn over and draw through all 3. Okay, so we're going to repeat rows 1 and 2 until you've reached your desired length. And that's how you crochet the primrose stitch. After a few repeats, your pattern should look like this.